Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another video of HTML and CSS complete course. So in this video we are going to talk about comments. So if you still didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So CSS comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your source code. The comments are used to explain the code and may help when you edit the source code at a later date. So you can add comments wherever you want in the code. The comments can also span multiple lines. There will be multiple comments and a single line comments. So now let's take a look how we can type the comments. You have inside the CSS file or style sheet. So you can add comment wherever you want. Like we learned in HTML, we use the Ctrl-Shift key by adding the comments. So let me add a comment here, what we can write inside the comment. So for adding the comment, you need to add double forward slash, and inside the forward slash you can add 2 stars here, and between these 2 stars you can write the comment for your code. So let me add, so this is, or we can say this will change the color of xt, like this. So the comment will give some information about the section of the code, for if you come back after a long time to your code, and it will help you to read the code. We can also have the multiple line comments. So let me add the multiple line comments. You can also use the short key by press Ctrl and forward slash. Let me show you that here, or we can say here I'm going to, or you can say going to add some style. Like this, you can use the comment section for multiple line comments as well. So if we save this and let's run the web page, and as you can see, the browser is not going to display the that comment inside the web page. So that's it. So hope you understand in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new video when I upload them. And don't forget to leave the comment if you have any question, any suggestion.